Hey, it's your favorite tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable your network and internet connection for Windows 10 or any Windows computer. If you're trying to go on a website and it's showing that your internet's not working, here's how you enable your internet. Go to the start menu and type in network. Select network status. Go down to network and sharing, and you'll see I have a Ethernet card. Yours could say Wi-Fi, but either way, on your left hand tab, go to change adapting settings, and right here, if your internet is off, it'll show it in the off position. Mine's currently on. When you right click, it's going to show disable. If yours is currently off, when you right click, it'll say enable. Once you enable your internet, you're good. Now, if you want to diagnose the connection, you can click here. If you want to rename the connection, you can click here. If you want to view the status of the connection, you can click here. If you want to change the settings of the connection, you can click here. All right, don't forget we offer remote support. If you need somebody to remote in and do it for you, you could text the number on your screen or the number in the description, or visit repairmystuff.net. As always, I'm your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.